Have you ever noticed how two people can take the exact same flight, walk through the same airport, and yet one of them spends hundreds of dollars more than the other? The surprising part is that it usually isn't because of the airline ticket. It's because of what happens before boarding. Every year, millions of senior travelers unknowingly spend money on things they don't need, miss benefits they're entitled to, and make small airport decisions that quietly drain their travel budget. The frustrating part? Most of these mistakes don't look like mistakes at all. They look like normal travel habits. Today, we're uncovering 12 airport mistakes seniors make that cost them money, and a few of them might surprise you. And before we begin, subscribe, like, and share, because here at Passport Pending, we help travelers spend less, travel smarter, and avoid costly travel headaches. Let's get started. Number 12. Arriving too early. Most people assume arriving extremely early is the safest strategy, and years ago, that was often true. But today, arriving 4 or 5 hours before a domestic flight can actually become an expensive habit. Here's why. The longer you're trapped inside an airport, the more opportunities there are to spend money. An overpriced coffee becomes breakfast, breakfast becomes lunch. Then suddenly you're buying bottled water, snacks, magazines, and impulse purchases from airport stores. Many seniors spend more during those extra airport hours than they realize. For most domestic flights, arriving about 2 hours before departure is usually enough. For international flights, 3 hours is generally sufficient. Showing up too early doesn't buy extra safety. It often buys extra spending. Number 11, paying for wheelchair assistance. Instead of requesting, many senior travelers don't realize that airport assistance services are often available at no additional charge. As a result, some travelers pay private services or unnecessary airport fees simply because they assume assistance must be purchased. If long walks through terminals have become difficult, contact the airline before your trip. Most airlines can arrange assistance from check-in to your gate. The benefit isn't just comfort, it can also help you avoid missing connections and reduce the temptation to spend money on airport transportation options that may not be necessary. One simple phone call before departure can save both stress and money. Number 10. Buying food after security. This may sound obvious, but it's one of the most expensive airport habits in America. Airport restaurants know something most travelers forget. Once you're through security, your options become limited. That creates a captive audience. A sandwich that costs $8 outside the airport suddenly costs $18 inside. A bottle of water costs 4 times more than it should. Many seniors travel with medications that require hydration, yet they forget to bring an empty, reusable water bottle. Instead, they buy multiple drinks throughout the day. Over the course of a few trips each year, that adds up to a surprising amount of money. Bring an empty bottle, fill it after security. Your wallet will thank you. Number 9. Ignoring senior discounts. This mistake costs travelers money before they even board the plane. Many seniors assume airline discounts no longer exist. Some do, some don't. The key is knowing where to look. While airlines have reduced public senior fares, many travel providers still offer discounts on airport transportation, hotels, car rentals, airport parking, and travel packages. The biggest mistake is never asking. The phrase, "Do you offer a senior discount?" can save more money than hours spent hunting for promo codes online. And the best part? It takes only 5 seconds. Number 8. Checking bags. Automatically, for decades, checking luggage was simply part of flying. Many senior travelers still follow that habit without questioning it. But baggage fees have changed the game. A checked bag that costs $40 on the outbound flight may cost another $40 coming home. That's $80 for a single suitcase. For couples, the number often doubles. The irony is that many travelers never use half the items they packed. Packing lighter isn't just about convenience. It's about avoiding fees, reducing airport stress, and eliminating the risk of delayed luggage. Sometimes the cheapest travel upgrade isn't buying something, it's bringing less. Number 7. Choosing convenience over comparison. After landing, many travelers make the same costly mistake. They accept the first transportation option they see, the first taxi, the first shuttle, the first rental car counter, the first ride offer. Airports are designed for convenience, and convenience often comes with a premium price tag. Taking just a few minutes to compare transportation options can save significant money. Many airports now offer multiple rideshare pickup zones, public transit options, and shuttle services. The travelers who spend less are usually not the fastest decision makers. They're the most informed. Number 6. Overlooking free airport services. Airports quietly offer services many travelers never use. Free charging stations, free airport shuttles, courtesy carts, visitor information desks, senior assistance programs, even relaxation areas. Yet many travelers pay for alternatives because they don't know these services exist. The lesson here is simple. Before spending money, ask whether the airport already provides a free solution. You'd be amazed how often the answer is yes. Number 5. Booking the wrong airport parking. This mistake can quietly cost hundreds of dollars each year. Many travelers automatically park in the closest airport lot. It's convenient, but convenience can be expensive. Long-term parking lots, off-site parking providers, and pre-booked airport parking reservations frequently cost much less. Some even include shuttle transportation to the terminal. The difference between parking choices can easily exceed $100 on a longer trip. That's money better spent at your destination. Number 4. Missing out on TSA PreCheck. Many seniors assume TSA PreCheck is only for frequent business travelers. That misconception can become costly. Without PreCheck, travelers often spend more time waiting in security lines. Longer waits increase stress and sometimes encourage spending on premium airport services simply to save time. For travelers who fly multiple times per year, TSA PreCheck can provide tremendous value, less waiting, less hassle, and less temptation to pay for shortcuts. Time saved is often money saved. Number 3. Not protecting expensive medications. This mistake isn't discussed enough. Many senior travelers carry medications worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars, yet some still pack them in checked luggage. If that bag is delayed, misplaced, or lost, replacing those medications can become incredibly expensive. Always keep medications in your carry-on bag. It's one of the simplest ways to avoid a financial nightmare while traveling. Sometimes the biggest travel expense isn't a flight delay. It's replacing something that never should have left your side. Number 2. Treating airport Wi-Fi. Like home internet, free airport Wi-Fi feels convenient. But using unsecured networks can expose travelers to scams, fraud, and identity theft. A single compromised account can cost far more than any airline ticket. Cybercriminals know airports are full of distracted travelers. Protecting personal information while traveling isn't just about security. It's also about protecting your finances. Think of secure internet habits as travel insurance for your digital life. And now for the biggest mistake of all. Number 1. Believing every airport fee is unavoidable. This is the mindset that quietly drains the most money from travelers. Many people assume fees are simply part of flying. Baggage fees, seat fees, priority boarding fees, convenience fees, service fees, airport fees. But experienced travelers know something different. Not every fee is mandatory. Many can be reduced, some can be avoided, others can be eliminated entirely with better planning. The most expensive mistake isn't paying a fee. It's assuming you have no choice. The travelers who consistently save money aren't necessarily richer, smarter, or luckier. They've simply learned to question every travel expense before accepting it. That's what separates expensive trips from affordable ones. The good news? Every mistake on today's list is completely avoidable, and fixing even a few of them could save you hundreds of dollars over the next year. Travel should be about enjoying your destination, not funding unnecessary airport expenses. So, before your next trip, take a few minutes to review this list. Your future self and your travel budget will be glad you did. If you found this helpful, subscribe, like, and share. And tell us in the comments, which airport mistake have you seen travelers make the most? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next passport pending adventure.